KBYT family, welcome back to another video. Yeah, well, seeing the title of this video, I guess we already know it's another food video. Yeah, time to eat. So there is this I don't know how big the pizza is, but there is this big pizza at Olives, right? Yeah, I don't know how big it is, but apparently it can feed like, you know, a good number of us. So anyway, it's what we're going to test. We're gonna see if, you know, guys, look at this babe who made me wait for her. She's here. I think I'm going to. Anyway, guys, see you later. Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Hello. We miss you guys.
Yeah.
You do, right?
Yeah. Later.
Let's see your mirror. Let's see your mirror.
No, thank you. You feel a cut? Yes, sir.
Guys, look at this baddie. Bambi.
Guys, fundraise.
Let's see the mirror. Done. Is that really yours, Selma?
Well,
Let's come and say hi. Oh, what time did you come? 1 hour and 30 minutes later.
what you explain me? Mama, you guys made a mistake.
Uh-huh.
This babe told me she's leaving at 4. So me, I was like 4. At 3:15, Mr. Manyanga, my class has ended. You told me.
That's why you left your
And you,
home
what
at-
time did you tell us?
I left home at 3.
What time? You told us to be here by what time?
I left at 3 because I was coming. Now
I'm
Madam
still-
is coming at 4.
Number 3. But
Number 3.
yeah, but the one I ate was very small. I'm not joking, but this is number 3 though. The goal is to finish, not so.
Anyway, true.
Let's do the internet.
Brace gun.
Nah, this is how I'm going to finish it. I'll change my mind. Don't have big bucks apart from.
This one is just pretending.
Feed your duckling there. For 1 month.
If anyone does what it was here, so now we are done.
Stay with chest.
Report.
Eh? Hey! Ah, I've not said anything.
We already got you.
So much she
What
said.
place is this at Kolema Ringi?
Number 5, but.
For real?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You thought what?
I thought you're joking. But
No,
what?
it's number 5. Slow but sure.
Normal, yeah. Sure, yeah, one is on 6. It's on 8. Unfortunately, this one here, I've only eaten one. One? Eh? That's something. You can have this one.
Is this my size?
Hi guys. This is a satisfied you. Plus this cow next to me.
Guys, these guys are making fun of my jeans. They don't know I'm a
a stylist, certified cow. Yes, I'll punch this content creator.
But like I like your jumpsuit.
First of all,
You
stupid.
can be a cow. My cow's exotic.
Oh, well, sorry. Exotic cow.
May I be the MC?
Okay, MC.
MC. Okay, action.
That's what an MC does. Guys, so we're having an open discussion about relationships apparently and what's ruining them nowadays.
Is it friendship relationships or like general relationships?
It's okay, you're in the frame even though you don't have a link.
I feel like
This
we should
guy
talk
wants
about
to know.
both.
Hey, okay.
Both relationships, friendship and
Yeah.
romantic relationships.
Yeah.
And okay.
And we
But we've actually talked about like
You guys have
For
your
real?
friendships.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have.
Yeah, we talked about it.
Yes,
Oh
you
yeah,
have.
okay. Yeah, we did.
We talk about relationships.
Yeah, keep
We
up
talk
with your
about
channel.
how if your partner tells you you're fat, you need to stop. Remember that time?
Yeah.
That was toxic.
When
that
we
place
talk about
in Bukola.
toxic relationship.
Oh, yeah,
your
that
part
was
is
toxic.
toxic.
When someone tells you
No,
you're
it's
fat,
not.
What about your skin?
Your skin.
Your skinny.
Well. Anyway, guys. Nothing to say to this. We're having.
Okay, you don't have to necessarily have experience that.
Okay.
But maybe it's a lesson you learned from a friend. And yeah.
Guys. No, it's Karen making me laugh. Anyway, so we're having an open discussion, right? The biggest lesson in a relationship. What? Yeah, name your biggest lesson in a relationship.
So that others don't repeat it.
Guys, here we go.
Yeah.
This one I learned from my
you
friend.
know you don't change. She's already there.
So, this friend of mine is in a relationship with one guy, but she's starting to entertain someone else. So this
So what
tells me
lesson is
why.
that?
You relax, I'm still narrating my story.
Okay.
The lesson is when you're in a relationship,
Don't entertain
other
someone
people.
else.
Period.
Can they hear
Other
us?
people learn from.
Can the camera
Can
hear?
other people learn from that example you're giving us? Please open discussion. Lessons learned in a
Give us
Here.
What lesson have I learned? Me, I'm still learning. Yeah. You know, education is continuous. Personally, I'm still learning.
But so far, what have you learned?
So far.
That I would share to others. Be true to yourself. You know if you want that man or not.
oh, serious.
Period. But like sometimes you can actually, honestly,
Sometimes you can
On the
wait.
advice, I'm never going to care for which give advice. I'm not
no,
going to
honestly,
be.
I give good relationship advice.
Yeah.
I don't want to
really,
be
but
down.
does she use it? I'm asking.
Shut.
I'm asking.